It's on video recorded, don't drop.
Is it recording right now?
Yes, it's recording. Keep your eye on the water, not on me.
I don't know where your line's at. Okay.
The rod's at, so where it's at. Holy shit, there it is, see it? Walk up here, baby, hurry. It's a huge, huge flathead. That is a huge flathead, baby.
Okay.
It's a 4-footer. Directly straight up front. Oh, he's coming up. There he is.
Whoa!
Don't run. Get over here.
Holy shit!
Eat your heart out, boys.
You got him still?
Yeah, baby, I got him. If I didn't, you hear me cussing real bad. There
Holy shit!
There he is. Come on, baby, come to me.
Holy shit!
Don't back up. Don't be scared. You're getting tired. Is there a guy down there, can you see?
I can't tell. I think so.
Go look for me. I'm going to need his help.
What do you go run down there? I can't record and do the same time.
Fuck it, I'm doing it myself. Holy fuck.
Oh my god. Sorry.
I'm so wore out, I can't even grab him. Oh, he's barely up. Come on, baby, come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Holly.
What?
Come here. Put the camera down. Put the camera down. Now, I'm going to hand you this rod. You keep it exactly where it's at right now. Do not pull on it. Okay? I'm going to be quick as possible. It ain't going to hurt you. You might pull a little bit like he's doing now. Hold on. Got him?
God. Holy shit.
Yes! Yes!
Oh my
Yes!
god.
Yes! Got a 4-footer! Oh, what kind? Flathead! Come here and check him out!
I'm scared.
Woo! Put the pole down. Grab the phone. Give it here.